Hello, Stephen. I want to play a game. Throughout your life, you have provided a false sense of hope for those in need, leaving hitchhikers to suffer and freeze to death on the side of the road. The device attached to your hands has left all of your fingers immobilized, with the exception of your thumb, which is covered in a highly flammable substance. In front of you is your birthday cake with 37 candles. In order to detach the device from your hands, you must snuff each flame with your thumb to atone for the thumbs you have burnt in your heartless ventures for a quick laugh. Be mindful of the device attached to your head. It is a sensor that will pick up any sound you make, causing the device on your hands to begin tearing your fingers out of their sockets until completely separated. The fingers must be educated, but the thumb is born knowing. You have 5 minutes.